Pyka's autonomous cargo plane completes first flight. Pyka announced on April 27 that its dropship autonomous aircraft completed its maiden flight, a milestone that the Alameda, California-based company said sets a new benchmark for rapid development of advanced autonomous systems. Dropship is a Group 3 autonomous aircraft built for contested logistics and multi-mission operations. It carries a maximum takeoff weight of 1,400 pounds and is engineered around a hybrid propulsion system, modular open architecture, and precision airdrop capability, a combination designed to give operators the flexibility to adapt across logistics sustainment and evolving mission sets without swapping platforms. The aircraft supports containerized transport, simplified maintenance, and streamlined training, all of which matter considerably when the objective is deploying autonomous mass at scale in austere environments where ground support infrastructure may not exist. What makes the 6-month development timeline credible rather than promotional is the foundation it was built on. Pyka's commercial autonomous platform has logged more than 10,000 flights across agriculture and logistics operations before dropship ever left the ground. The proprietary autonomous flight software, electric propulsion systems, and flight control architecture that power dropship were not developed for this program. They were transferred from a commercial fleet that has been executing high-cycle industrial missions in demanding real-world conditions for years. That operating history compressed a development cycle that would typically take years into half a year. Michael Norcha, CEO and co-founder of Pyka, framed the achievement in precisely those terms in the company's announcement. Dropship builds on a technology platform that is already executing high-cycle industrial missions in extremely demanding conditions with commercial customers, Norcha said. Our focus throughout its development has been rapid iteration, manufacturability, and real-world performance. This first flight shows how quickly we can extend our existing technology to new missions. The emphasis on manufacturability is pointed. It signals that Pyka is not simply building a demonstrator, but engineering for production from the outset. Dropship's design draws directly from Pyka's first-generation cargo platform, which has accumulated commercial cargo pedigree and participated in multiple Department of War operational exercises in contested logistics scenarios. Per the company's announcement, that dual-track record, commercial customers, and military exercises gives the platform a data-driven performance baseline that most defense-focused autonomous aircraft programs at this stage cannot claim. The aircraft's design choices reflect operational data from those deployments rather than assumptions made in an engineering lab. The challenge of sustaining distributed forces across vast distances, particularly in the Indo-Pacific, where island distances and anti-access threats make conventional logistics vulnerable, has driven significant investment in autonomous cargo delivery. At the uncrewed aircraft level, the Army and Marine Corps have both pursued programs aimed at supplying forward-deployed units without exposing crewed aircraft to threats. And the private sector has moved to fill gaps that traditional defense primes have been slow to address. Pyka is positioning dropship squarely in that space, emphasizing the combination of payload capacity, range, endurance, and precision airdrop that contested resupply missions require. A platform that can be reconfigured for different payload types, supplies medical equipment, ammunition, sensors without major structural modification, gives operational commanders genuine flexibility in a scenario where mission requirements shift faster than procurement timelines. Can accommodate the ability to adapt a platform rather than replace it is not a design feature, it is an operational necessity. Pyka's emphasis on this capability, combined with its containerized transport configuration, suggests a system designed to move with a force rather than wait for it at a fixed base. Testing will continue following the first flight, with future trials focused on expanding the aircraft's operating envelope and validating performance across a range of mission conditions. Pyka stated in its announcement that the primary focus of upcoming testing is reliability and mission flexibility, the two qualities that separate a system that works on a demonstration range from one that works when a forward operating base is running low on supplies, and the weather is bad, and the communications are degraded. The company said it intends to press toward immediate operational readiness on an accelerated timeline.